Imagine a coding partner that never clocks out, one that understands your entire project, works in the background, and finishes tasks while you're doing something else. No reminders, no step-by-step babysitting. It reads your codebase like a novel, finds problems before you see them, and fixes them without breaking your flow. It can plan, build, test, and explain, all without touching a single browser tab. And it's not science fiction. It's Google's newest AI coding agent, Jules 2.0, and it's already here. Developers thought this kind of autonomy was years away. Turns out the future showed up early. The shift from assistants to autonomous coders. For years, AI tools for developers worked like sidekicks. They stayed in your text editor, waiting for you to type something so they could suggest a few lines of code. Helpful, yes, but always reactive. You had to lead every step. Now, that balance is changing. Instead of simply offering ideas, a new type of AI can take on entire tasks from start to finish. You tell it what needs to be done, and it goes off to handle the details. It doesn't just give you a snippet. It looks at the whole picture. Jules 2.0 is Google's take on this shift. It's not just an assistant sitting in the corner of your screen. It's more like a teammate who can pick up a ticket, dive into your code, make changes, and come back with a complete solution. While it works, you're free to focus on something else entirely. This changes how developers think about their workflow. You no longer need to pause every few minutes to guide the AI. You can trust it with defined jobs and expect results that fit into your project without extra cleanup. It's a move from helping you code to coding alongside you in real time without slowing you down. Deep workflow integration. Most coding tools live in separate windows and tabs. You jump between your IDE, GitHub, documentation, testing tools, and chat apps. Every switch breaks your focus, even if it's just for a few seconds. Over time, that constant switching eats away at productivity. Jules 2.0 is built to remove that friction. It connects directly with your code repository, so it understands your branches, commits, and pull requests without you having to copy or paste anything. You can open a pull request, review it, and merge changes without leaving the platform. One of its smartest touches is the ability to save your entire development environment exactly as it is. That includes your dependencies, settings, and even the virtual machine setup. You can pause a project midway, switch to another task, and return days later with everything restored exactly how you left it. No wasted time figuring out which version of a library you were using. It also keeps you inside your flow by pulling up the documentation you need without opening a new browser window. If you're troubleshooting an API or looking up an example, it can grab the latest official sources right there in the environment. By blending these pieces, Jules 2.0 feels less like another app you have to manage and more like the central hub for your development work. It's a place where planning, coding, reviewing, and researching all happen in one space, so your attention stays where it belongs. Key capabilities that change the game. Jules 2.0 isn't just about convenience. It brings a set of tools that can change how developers approach their work. One of the most useful is full pull request handling inside the same workspace. You can create a request, check the changes, leave comments, and merge, all without opening another platform. This small shift means fewer interruptions and faster progress, especially for teams that deal with frequent updates. Testing has also been made easier. Jules can run automated browser tests, checking how your code works across different setups. This helps catch bugs early, long before they reach production. For projects with a visual element, it can generate screenshots and previews so you can spot layout problems before anyone else sees them. Another standout feature is interactive task planning. In many projects, priorities can change quickly. With this system, you can move deadlines, change dependencies, and adjust deliverables in real time. Everyone on the team sees the update instantly, so there's no confusion about what's next. Documentation lookup is another quiet but powerful addition. Instead of breaking your flow to search the web, Jules can bring the most relevant and up-to-date information right into your workspace. When you put these abilities together, pull request management, automated testing, instant previews, live planning, and built-in research, you get more than just an AI that writes code. You get a platform that keeps your entire development process moving forward without the constant stop and go that usually comes with building software. The critic, mind and code quality. Writing code is only half the battle. Making sure it works well, runs efficiently, and holds up under pressure is the real test. That's where Jules 2.0's built-in critic comes in. Think of it as a sharp-eyed reviewer who never gets tired. It reads through your code and looks for more than just typos or missing semicolons. It searches for deeper problems, places where performance might slow down, logic might fail, or edge cases might break the feature entirely. This isn't a generic checklist. The critic uses advanced AI reasoning to understand the purpose of your code. If a function is written in a way that could cause trouble later, it points that out. If there's a simpler, faster way to achieve the same result, it suggests it. For developers, this means fewer surprises after deployment. You get feedback immediately instead of waiting for another team member to find the issue during a review cycle. It's like having a senior developer glance over your shoulder the moment you hit save. The best part is that you stay in control. The critic doesn't make changes without your approval. It simply shows you where improvements can be made and explains why they matter. With that insight, you can decide how to act. By catching potential problems early and suggesting practical fixes, Jules 2.0 doesn't just help you write code, it helps you write better code. Security, control, and team collaboration. When you let an AI work inside your projects, security becomes the first question. Jules 2.0 addresses this by running all its tasks in an isolated environment. Your code is copied into a secure virtual machine, where the AI does its work without touching live systems. Nothing changes in your actual repository until you review and approve it. This separation gives teams confidence that no unwanted edits will slip through. You see exactly what was done, compare it with your original code, and choose whether to merge. For teams, this also means cleaner collaboration. Instead of multiple people working on overlapping sections and creating conflicts, Jules can handle clearly defined jobs on its branch. Once complete, it hands the work back for final review. Because everything happens within one connected platform, communication is smoother. Pull requests, reviews, and feedback stay in the same place, so no one is digging through endless tabs or chat threads to track progress. It's a simple setup: clear boundaries for security, transparent control for developers, and a streamlined process for teamwork. With these in place, Jules 2.0 becomes not just an extra set of hands, but a safe and reliable part of the workflow. Position in the bigger AI landscape. AI coding tools are no longer rare. Developers already know names like GitHub Copilot, Claude for Code, and other assistants that live inside an editor. These tools are useful, but they mostly focus on helping while you type. They're quick with suggestions, yet they stay in the moment, waiting for your lead. Jules 2.0 sits in a different category. Instead of being tied to your cursor, it can manage entire tasks from start to finish. It works on its branch, runs tests, looks up information, and prepares code ready for review, all without you watching every step. Google's edge here comes from its ecosystem. Jules can tap into Google Cloud for processing, use the latest Gemini AI models for reasoning, and pull in web resources directly. It's built on infrastructure designed for scale, which means it can handle large projects without slowing down. While other tools act like companions in your editor, Jules acts like a dedicated teammate who can take ownership of work. That shift changes expectations, not just for what AI can do, but for how developers plan their projects. It moves from moment-to-moment assistance to full-cycle contribution. The future of autonomous coding. Tools like Jules 2.0 hint at where software development might be heading. As AI agents become better at understanding complex projects, they could take over more routine tasks entirely. Developers might spend less time fixing bugs or setting up environments, and more time designing features and solving higher-level problems. This doesn't mean human roles disappear. Instead, the focus shifts toward guiding and supervising these systems, making strategic decisions, and ensuring the end product matches the vision. Over time, autonomous coding could blur the line between planning and execution. A single request could trigger everything, from research and design to building and testing, without constant human input. The question isn't whether this will happen, but how ready teams will be when it does. We're used to thinking of coding as a hands-on craft, where every line is typed, tested, and fixed by people. Jules 2.0 challenges that idea. It shows that a machine can take part in the process, not as a distant tool, but as a working partner inside the same flow. This isn't about replacing developers. It's about removing the constant interruptions that slow them down. The real shift is trust. Can we let an AI handle meaningful parts of our projects and still feel in control? That choice will shape how we build in the years ahead.